Getting ready to start a 6th gear. A little more space, modern, switching to the cab chassis version instead of the box van type. Yeah. Solid core, new product that we saw last year, I believe.
Yes.
Last year. Get a little bit more of the modern look. The etching in it turns out really nice looking. Just gives it a different look. And floor winch to help get the bigger boxes in and out. Safer, easier. We put the exterior cameras for the parking lots. We've got one up on top of the cab and down each side. Just an extra aid when you get into those real tight spots so you can make sure you're not going to accidentally clip something, just to help navigate those tight spots. First truck we bought,